Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti and I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a very different and a very personal video. So as I feel most of y'all might know that I gave NEET 2024 and honestly I didn't really score that well. जो मैंने expect किया था जितना मैंने सोचा था उतना मुझे नहीं आया था and I scored and the score I got is something what I never aimed for. So, but apart from all this, I genuinely want to come here and talk about it because जो mistakes मैंने की थी, I don't want any one of you all to repeat that. There would be a lot of 2025 aspirants are watching this video. So जो भी mistakes I did last year through because of which I couldn't score very well. I'll be telling you all the mistakes so you don't repeat them this exam because NEET is just in what 15 days, I guess. Also, there are a lot of influencers and YouTubers who are doing MBBS or are educators giving you all advices, but they are the people who have already succeeded, जिन्होंने already NEET में अच्छा score किया or something like that. I feel someone who didn't score that, someone who has already messed up the exam, and listening from them, I feel it would be a much different perspective. So in this video, I'll be telling you all how my days were in the last 15 days of NEET and how y'all should make your 15 days end ka make it the best so तुम्हारा score best आए. This is all I'm literally taking a paper. I've written down everything what came in my brain. कि whatever mistakes I just sat down and मैंने भी मेरा नीट का टाइम पूरा है मैं याद किया कि this I'm not supposed to do, these things I'm supposed to do. So if you're looking for any honest advice from someone who has been there and who didn't really do that well, so this is a right video for you, Ki. And of course, without wasting a lot of your time, let's begin with this video. I've split the video first into general mistakes to avoid, and then we'll also be talking subject wise ki bio, physics, kya mistakes ki thi. Beginning with the general advice, okay? The first thing is procrastination. Like this is a classic one, of course. You keep thinking I'll start fresh. For example, this happened with me a lot of times. कि आज मैं पढ़ रही थी और फिर 6 बजे and मुझे मन नहीं हो रहा पढ़ने का. So I'll be like, ठीक है, अभी I'll take break and then my next again I'll start from tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. I feel कि I just regret this thing the most. कि so just continue. Like if you want a break, take a break for 10 minutes, not for like the entire shift. Like do not procrastinate, y'all. Because end के 15 days, if you are not utilizing it to your maximal efficiency, then you should not study. I don't know. Then don't get the fucking exam. Because if you genuinely want to score good marks, do not procrastinate. Well, then do not say that I'll not study today and just delay the task to the next day. That is not the solution at all. Like before you know it's already March, so hardly 15 days. This is your revision time. Or if it like गलती से like your 2-3 topics are remaining, so it is the time to finish that. And one more thing, I feel I was a lot focused on making the perfect notes instead of actually studying them. I have my physics key. This was my physics key formula book. Okay. Now I just feel I focused so much on perfection that I didn't really focus. Like you see circular motion. So everything is written इतना अच्छे से ना. So I just sometimes regret कि इतना like these. I used to run behind aesthetics. Don't do that, यार. मतलब कि ठीक है, of course your notes should be pretty, but end में आते हुए just try focusing on revision, studying as much. Like no one is going to see how your notes are. No one is going to see कि कैसे बनाए. But at this point, stop making notes. जितना तुम लोग के पास content है, उतना stop passive studying. That's what I've written. Like passive studying की NCERT खोली 2 hours. You're just looking at the NCERT or whatever physics, chem, NCERT, whatever. Just looking at it and you're not doing anything. So I want you all to study in a very active way. Even if you're like studying anything from NCERT, keep a rough notebook, keep writing something, like write something important points. So your brain is always activated. For example, you're doing something physics. So if you're just reading your mistake book, for example, कि कौन से mistakes किए. So at least in the side में एक बार solve कर लो फटफट in half a minute or something. At this point, do not study passively. Try your best. Like you need to do active recall. Ask yourself questions. Teach someone else. Write things without looking because you need to study. Because at the end of the day, when you're sitting there for 3 hours, you need to remember things. And अगर वहाँ पे if you have all you have done is passive studying during studying sessions, then it will not help you at all. You all need to just like recollect. एक question आया. Like I have bought my newspaper also. this is my NEET का paper. For example, if I'm seeing one question from the bio section, for example, कि three types of muscles are ABC this your exam. So अभी इसमें तुम्हें याद करना पड़ेगा एनसीईआरटी के ये वाले पेज पे ये वाली साइड पे ये वाला डायग्राम था this was that this was that because I feel active recall is very important for this exam. You cannot keep studying passively. The last 15 days make sure कि तुम हमारी एक भी मिनट वेस्ट नहीं करो इन स्टडिंग लाइक पैसिवली कि हाँ बस बुक रखी है. Keep writing, keep doing something along with it कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो चीज घुसनी चाहिए. Mistake 3 that I've written is avoiding mock test. This one really got me. I kept telling myself I'll give mock test once I complete the syllabus, but honestly end day tak my syllabus notes was not finished, and I feel in giving mock tests I did make like a lot of mistakes. Like हमारे classes से भी I had gotten those mock test की books which I couldn't finish till the end date. You need to give mock exams even if you all are not ready. Do you understand what I'm trying? Take an example of bio that's more easy to explain. So in NCERT 11, 12, 12 में से तुम्हारा एक unit भी नहीं हुआ है. So among 360 mark, for example, 4 question नहीं है तो you can easily get how much 340, 344. So do not say ऐसे कि you know नहीं नहीं देना है mock test अभी because क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ है कम marks आ जाएंगे everything. जितना किया है revise that अच्छे से and give the mock test. It's fine if you do not know full chapters. If it's okay. One of the very important points is that कि NCERT like अगर NCERT is everything. And I feel somewhere I thought कि NCERT is too basic and I just referred to a lot of other books like जितनी भी those extra books, for example, not referring physics के लिए NCERT but other 10 books, like don't do that because NCERT is I feel everything, and finishing your NCERT properly first is much more important than anything else. NEET is just not about learning, it's about retaining. For example, like I didn't have a proper revision plan before my exam fee. These 2 days, these many hours I'll be doing revising physics, biology. Yeah, I was saying that I didn't really have an exact plan. Like I kept studying whatever came in mind कि चलो आज से biology क्योंकि ये वाला नहीं है. मतलब I don't think I had a perfect plan, and I feel you all should make one as soon as possible for yourself. Okay, because you need to retain. So revising is a lot more important than learning in the last 10 days. So focus on revising what you have studied. Either like don't try. अगर एक physics का topic छूट गया, it's okay. It is what will go 5 marks, 10 marks. But if you don't revise the entire syllabus once before the exam properly, दो तीन revision नहीं होंगे, then you lose the entire subject from your hand. Of your mental health, of course, you have to give your 100%, give your best shot, and मतलब कि ये सब सीट सेकेंडरी है, बट आई थिंक दैट एक्सेसिवली बर्निंग योरसेल्फ आउट एंड मतलब कि अच्छे से पढ़ाई भी नहीं हो रही बट यू जस्ट वांट टू बी लाइक नहीं ऑल नाइटर पुल करना ही है आज. So like don't go on that part. If you genuinely feel you'll be able to study and attain the maximum information, then only try to study, or else just sleep is important, and especially NEET के 2-3 दिन पहले sleep properly because you should be very active during the exam, and this happened with me. Before my NEET exam, I couldn't really sleep that well because I just kept doing rubbish. I was revising something, I don't know, in the morning also. I was in next level. I literally bought my NEET ka naya t-shirt, what do we say, the same day as I went for NEET. But apart from that, just keep your mental health composed and just think कि हाँ तुम्हें आता है and you'll be able to do things. This was all what I wrote down as for my overall NEET, and let's go subject wise now. For subject we have biology. Everyone says bio is easy, and even in my class everyone thought bio was easy, but I just feel sometimes even I got very overconfident कि हाँ, but honestly no. I made such silly questions, such silly errors in my bio का paper. ये time was like not that bad. It was मतलब easy था, but I just made mark. The last two questions I guess मैंने ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, but apart from that also I just feel yes I made many mistakes in bio. I feel for bio don't do anything else in the last 10 days. Memorize every single line of NCERT for biology. Every single line is important. Like do whatever but revise NCERT so well. It's fine if you don't solve 5 external MCQ book. Of course solving MCQ giving mock test is important, but for biology especially I would say कि do NCERT that well कि कुछ भी MCQ आ जाए तुम्हें सब आना चाहिए, and they just pick out exact lines from NCERT and then they give you. So I feel in bio just focus on NCRT in the last 10 days, or whatever mistakes you have made in the previous mock papers, try to do that, but doing NCRT is the must. And I feel NCRT be the, and also try to practice. If you're practicing questions, don't just practice for multiple choice questions. वो अब what comes, assertion, reasoning comes, statement one, statement two, घर में कौन सा, they give you 5 questions and they tell you the order of something or something like that. Then we have flowchart, then we have match the column. Because I feel last time के paper में hardly any match the column came. The paper was much lengthier. It was easy, but it was lengthier. So even if you practice, do not practice the basic or MCQ वाले things. Practice big ones like assertion, reasoning. Practice करो. Give yourself time every day. कि अगर समझो कि 2 hours NCERT reading की 30-40 minutes or whatever. For example, when the 3 hours start, in this many hours I'll be finishing by. For example, my target was something 40-45 minutes. I want to finish by. So उसमें try to solve those many MCQs and वो वाले type के assertion, reasoning, whatever I mentioned before, वैसे वाले MCQs solve करो, because उस वो solve करोगे then you get a proper idea, because अभी ऐसे questions आता है, easy questions don't come. Next up we have physics, and honestly like 10 days before the exam मैंने physics से आशा ही छोड़ दी थी, because I feel my physics was really bad and I neglected physics so much because I didn't really do. I'm honestly saying that I had an entire formula book ready with me. This is my formula book. But still like नीट के पहले मुझे हर एक चैप्टर के फॉर्मूला नहीं आते थे. My physics was just too bad. And I feel at a point I had just given up, but don't give up. Like जितना होता है उतना करके जाओ. And I feel that I made the formula list and everything. And even though थोड़े formulas आते थे, but applying them in numericals, like for physics, doing in the number of numericals is very important to an again. And I feel सबसे less I've scored in physics only जिसकी वजह से मेरा so like practice as many MCQs. For example, I don't know the amount, I don't remember the number of chapters. So for example, there are 20 chapters. Do 15 properly, but 15 के numericals एकदम अच्छे से करो, so at least you get some decent 130-140 का score. And chemistry, so physical, organic and organic. Feel organic मेरा अच्छा था. Organic में also just all the reactions के names and everything, keep that everything in mind. Physical में practice, again practice is very important. Also one sentence I have written here, NCRT for inorganic is very important. Reaction charts like the flow charts, what like वो Ellen और आकाश सबके modules में there are so many reaction charts for organic, so वो वाले. And practice like physics for physical chemistry, because physical chemistry में से आते हैं theory based, but I feel ज़्यादा they prefer numericals one only. So try practicing as much as like I feel practice is so important कि हर एक चीज का अच्छे से practice and give yourself time, like not waste any amount of time, keep yourself away from all the distractions. And let me be very honest with you, it was all very overwhelming. It just gets very overwhelming. For example, just open YouTube to, for example, you have open YouTube to watch this video, or watch any other YouTuber, or watch any lecture, or watch any one shot, and then you just see AIR 1720 last year or whatever. So it's just very overwhelming. I understand. So just keep yourself away from all those things. Open YouTube to learn, to understand. For example, I just told you take a 30 minutes break. So lie down, watch a one show. Like try to utilize your time. It be very specific. कि कितना time किसको देना है. Have a good schedule. I want her to sit down right now and make like a rough. Like I have moved on from it. मेरे को नहीं पता नहीं, but I just felt like I want to give this one advice. जो मैंने mistakes की, please don't make that, because I give only NEET once and I do not advise anyone to give NEET again. Of course, you know your dreams or whatever, but give your best shot in this one only. And I like just keep giving your best shot. Yeah, the last 15 months I feel you have been working hard since past 2 years. You have seen everything. So I just want you all to be as diligently working hard, Abhi, because this is the time. Because if these 15 days go, after that तो vacation मिलने वाला है 3-4 महीने का पता नहीं, because we got to 7-8 months vacation. But I'm hoping you all don't get such long break, because whatever. But sit down, talk to yourself sometimes कि ऐसे हो रहा है. Try to find the best solutions for yourself, and at the end it's just like the last 15 days 2 साल किया है, so giving those 15 days completely to yourself, studying that hard, working that hard for this exam. I feel give it your best shot, yeah, like 15 days. NEET 2025 is your chance, and you still have time. You can still fix things, and you can still get it right. Learn from my mistakes, and please do not repeat any of these, because I would be very happy if you score good marks. If I couldn't, I want at least you all can, you all should. Study smart, be confident, and mainly believe in yourself. Compete with yourself. Having friendly competition with people around you is good, but mainly try to compete with yourself. एक mock में इतने आए पर 550, 70, 620, then try to. And if you felt like this video was thoda sa also helpful for you all, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, whatever. Share it with your batchmates, even if any of them is feeling demotivated or something like that. This video will genuinely help them as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, or just felt a little motivated, because I felt very, at this point I feel very relieved sharing all my mistakes with you all, and I just wish that none of you repeat those mistakes again, because I couldn't do MBBS. What I'm doing is I'm happy, but still I have that regret कि last के अगर 21 महीना last का है, और last के 15 days, if I would have done things this way and not this way, I feel I would be somewhere else. But it's fine, and everything doesn't go how you plan. But I hope your NEET goes very well, and I feel this is the only video I want to make related to NEET. And if you have any other suggestions, I would love to, if I'm genuinely trying to help you guys. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. All the best for your NEET. Do well. You got this. Let's go.